Yo, what's up everybody? In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix your Instagram user not found problem. Alright, so let's say you're trying to find somebody in Instagram by clicking on the search icon, and at the top you click on the search and you search for somebody and they just doesn't shows up. The first reason could be like you have mistyped their username. Alright, so if you have mistyped a username and a person under that username doesn't exist, then it's gonna say user not found. And the other thing could be your slow internet connection. So make sure to check your internet, because sometimes due to slow internet, when you're using Instagram, it's not going to work properly. So if your internet is slow, either switch to a strong internet connection or switch to a data connection. Alright, and after switching to a strong internet connection and typing a correct username, if the user is still not found, either you have blocked that user on your Instagram or either that user has blocked you on Instagram. So if you block somebody on Instagram, you cannot see what they have posted, you cannot message them, and if that person has blocked you, then whenever you search for their username, it's not going to be found. Right, so make sure that that person has not blocked you, and make sure you have not blocked that person. So to check if you have blocked somebody or not, you can click on your profile at the bottom, click on the three line, go on setting, go on versus privacy, and scroll a bit down and click on blocked accounts. Once you click on it, if you see a person's name over here, that means you have blocked them. Alright, but I don't see anybody, which means I have not blocked anybody. So make sure to check that. And let's say you're not trying to find anybody in Instagram, you're just trying to log in into your Instagram account and it says Instagram user not found. Then it could be that your username you typed on your Instagram account while trying to log in into your account is incorrect. So make sure to check that the username you typed is a correct username. And the other thing could be that don't use your username to log in into your account. Use your email or phone number, whichever thing you used when you created an Instagram account as a method of backing up. Use that. If you used your email to create your Instagram, use your email to log in. If you used your phone number, use your phone number to log in. Alright, and if it still says that, what you can do is delete your Instagram, reinstall it again, and try to log in into your account after 24 hours. Sometimes Instagram disables our account for like hacking reason. Like Instagram might think like you are a hacker and you're trying to log in into other person's account even though you're trying to log in into your account. So in that case, just delete and reinstall your Instagram and then wait for 24 hours and try to log in into your account, and it should work. So that's how we guys can fix Instagram user not found problem. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to Want to Step. See you guys next time.